although it's not in her.
National Institute of Technology, Warangal, Warangal Hyderabad Highway, Warangal, Telangana 506004, and this is the main building of the campus, and it is established in 1959, one of the oldest NITs. And if you speak about the rankings of NIT Warangal, according to NIRF 2020, it has ranked 46 in the overall category, 19th in the engineering category. NIRF means National Institutional Ranking Framework. According to Atal Ranking of Institutions on Innovation Achievements, it has ranked between 11 to 25. According to Outlooks, India's best engineering colleges, it has ranked 21 in the year 2019. If we talk about the connectivity, which is how to reach NIT Warangal, nearest bus stand is Hanmakonda bus stand, 4.2 kilometers from the campus, and then Warangal bus stand, 10.5 kilometers. Nearest railway station is Kazipet Junction railway station, 4 kilometers from the campus. Warangal railway station is 10.5 kilometers from the campus. Nearest airport is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, and it is in Hyderabad, 168 kilometers from the campus. So here you can see the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport and Kazipet railway station and Hanmakonda bus stand. Modes of admission: through JEE Mains followed by JOSA and CSUB counseling, and also through DASA and Civic. Courses offered in NIT Warangal are Biotechnology, Chemical, Civil, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. If you see the seat matrix of NIT Warangal, total number of seats are 1004, and those are distributed into 3 categories, and Andhra Pradesh, which is supernumerary quota, and Telangana, which is home state, and other than Telangana, other states. Then if we talk about the cutoffs in NIT Warangal, here I mentioned general category, gender neutral and female. If you need the category wise cutoffs, I mentioned the link in the description. Please go and check your cutoffs according to your category. And about the fee structure of NIT Warangal, institution fee is 62,500 per semester, and 7,500 is annual fee, and 24,500 one time fee. Hostel fees 16,000 per year boys, and for girls 13,000 per year. 15,000 for mess fees per sem, which is advance. If at all any money is left, that will be forwarded to the next semester. 15,500 as a caution money, which is refundable. So, NIT Warangal also provides scholarship for those students who belong to the category of SC, ST and PWD. They will get 100% tuition fee waiver. For those candidates from general category and OBC students whose family income is less than 1 lakh, will get full remission of the tuition fee. And for those students like in general category and OBC students whose family is between 1 to 5 lakhs, will get a remission of 2/3 of the tuition fee. And coming to the placements of NIT Warangal, if you see the latest trends, that is in 2020, highest package is 51 lakhs per annum for 2 students in 2020, and 14 students got 44 lakhs per annum. And highest package is 51 lakhs per annum in the year 2020, and in 2019 it is 45 lakhs per annum. Average package is 7 to 8 lakhs per annus. Average CSE package 18.5 lakhs per annum. Average ECE package 11 lakhs per annum. Around 150 companies have come for campus recruitment. 8+ pointer is the safest, and internships are provided. Career Development Center and Amazon, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Goldman Sachs, Adobe, Oracle, Uber, Disha, Samsung and are major recruiters. And if you see here, this is the max and highest CTC in lakhs per annum for branch wise. I have mentioned here: Biotechnology 11, Chemical 23.65, Civil 17.3, Computer Science and Engineering 45, and ECE 43, EEE 30, Mechanical 23.65, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering 11. And here it is the average CTC in lakhs per annum. Once you can check here, and these are the trends of placement statistics in 2019. How many students are passed and how many students are placed. Here you can see Biotechnology 41 students are eligible and 27 are placed, and 85 students are eligible, and 76 students are placed from Chemical. Out of 98 in Civil, 80 were placed, and out of 116 in Computer Science, 115 students have placed. Out of 116 students in CSE, 115 students are placed, and out of 125 students in EEE, 108 students are placed. Out of 124 students in ECE, 106 are placed. Out of 126 students in Mechanical, 105 students are placed. 27 out of 42 Metallurgical and Materials Engineering students are placed. And this is the percentage of placement according to the branch, you can check it here. The highest is computer science. You can see it is 99.14 percentage. And coming to the infrastructure of NIT Warangal, it has spread across 256 acres. If you talk about the class, labs, library, which are very good and spacious and well maintained. And if you see the central library, nearly more than 1.7 lakhs books are provided inside the central library. Even we have a digital library inside the central library, and computer center is also available, and CAI, Center for Automation and Instrumentation, and a career center for career planning and development. High speed Wi-Fi enabled campus. If we talk about the sports, cricket, football, volleyball, basketball, badminton, table tennis, gym, carom, chess and athletic track. Floodlights are also provided to all outdoor games, and research opportunity are provided. Startup culture is promoted, and Center for Innovation and Incubation, we call it as IG, where most of the interviews for campus placements takes place. And Startup Cell Innovation Garage IG, and Maker Space with tools, industry R&D labs, conference and seminar are also there in NIT Warangal. Cooperative stores, which we call it as scoops, where you can buy things which we need in the classroom work. Laundry shop is also there. Salon, Xerox is also available inside the campus, and health center will be available 24/7. And inside NIT Warangal, there is also ATM and a bank and a post office also inside the campus. And coming to hostels, and here you can see on the top left, which is called as 1.8K Ultra Mega 1.8K, which can accommodate around 1800 students. And this is the right side one is the Dasha hostel, the foreign students lives, and bottom left side is the boys hostel room, and this one is the right side is the girls hostel room. 20 boys hostel blocks will be there, and 5 girls hostel blocks, and 1 international hostel. As I said, Ultra Mega 1.8K is Asia's biggest hostel. In first year you will get a double sharing room. Every room is provided with a bed, table, chair, cupboard, and rooms are very good enough. Common washroom, and they clean it every day. High speed internet facility. Common room with an LED TV. Gym, badminton, table tennis in hostel. Laundry service available. Mess food is not that good. I can assure you that mostly in the government colleges, mess food will be not that up to the mark. And coming to canteen, it will be till 2 o'clock in the night inside the hostel. Coffee shop and snacks corner. Till 2 o'clock you will be having a canteen open. Curfew timings is 9 p.m. and hangout places in the campus. Most of us spend time in these places, and which are Times Square, which is just in front of the admin building, where we will sit in the groups and enjoy each and every cool evening. And this is the food street, where you will be where every different type of food is available, like snacks. I can say like snacks is available in this food street, where in that food street you will be finding Nescafe, Vaishnavi Grand Hotel, and Amul, Cafe Coffee Day, Kathi Junction. These are Kathi Junction means rolls will be available, and the biryani is also available in Kathi Junction. Coming to NITW canteen, which is the old canteen, where snacks are very nice, and Nescafe near auditorium. Student activity center, SAC, mechanical department. You will be coming to know about this mechanical department once you come into NIT Warangal. And hangout places outside the campus, if we talk about the tourist places near to the campus, are Thousand Pillar Temple, Warangal Fort, Laknavaram, Bogata Waterfalls, Ramappa Temple. These are the tourist places near to our campus. And restaurants are Ryan's, Manar, Palamur Grill, and etc. etc. If we talk about the multiplex, 2 multiplexes are available in the Tri-Cities, which are S2 and Asian Vijay Mall. And coming to theatres, Ashoka Aplex, Amruta, Ram Lakshman, and 15 more others theatres are available in the Warangal city. Coming to Fest, Annual Technical Fest, which is Technogen. And this is the photo of mine, one of the memory of my first year, TG 19, which is Technogen 19, and its theme is Novus. And Spring Spree is an annual cultural fest. We missed this fest due to this pandemic. And coming to clubs, music clubs, debating club, quiz club, photography club, dance and dramatics, NSS, and each and everything is available, so that student can take part in that things too. Curriculum is amazing and updated. Faculty are really good, supportive, and highly qualified, mostly PhD holders. I can't say that everyone is like that. There may be chances that faculty is also not good 80% attendance is for sure to be attending the end exams. And here are the some pictures. This is a cycle rally of our NSS, and this is a youth rally, one of our memory in first years.